Hey guys, and welcome to Techy Taca. A couple of weeks back, we had the look at the Logitech M190 and how it was a great wireless mouse under the 1000 rupees bracket. In this video, we'll have a look at and unbox a pair of wireless headphones that you've probably never even heard of. The Pebble Evolve Wireless Headphones, which apparently is all about the bass. The Pebble Evolve Wireless Headphones comes in this huge box. The feature and specifications of the device are listed out towards the back. The headphones offer HD sound quality, have comfy ear muffs, has passive noise cancellation, voice assistant, support for Bluetooth 5.0 and aux, allowing for it to be used as a wide pair of headphones when needed. It also has a micro SD card slot which lets you play tracks like an iPod. Pebble advertises the device to be able to last for 8 to 10 hours on a single charge, with 3 hours required for charging. It houses 40mm drivers and the pair of headphones costs 2000 rupees, making it a cost-friendly option. There isn't much written towards the sides of the box other than that the headphone being all about the bass. And with that, let's open this bad boy up. So, right out of the box, you get to see the headphones first of all, which comes in its own plastic enclosure. We'll have a look at the headphones at the end. You also get a 6 months guarantee card that also has a note of thanks right from the founder himself for purchasing the device printed on the other side, welcoming the buyer to the Pebble squad. Next up, we see the user manual of the device, which lists out all the specifications of the product, which you'll obviously check out, because ain't no one got the time to read all this. We also get an aux cable with the package, with which one can use the device even when it's out of charge, using it like a pair of wired headphones. And finally, we get a USB-A to micro USB cable, which is used to charge the device. Kinda disappointing that we don't get any support for USB Type-C, but hey, at this price point, you really can't complain. Now, coming to the star of the show, we have the Pebble Evolve Wireless Headphones. I have the blue ones here, and the first thing that we notice is how big both the ear cups are. On the right cup, we have 4 buttons that let us turn the device on and switch it off, jump between tracks, play or pause, turn the volume up and down, and also turn on the FM mode. Towards the bottom of the cup, we get to see the micro USB port, which is used to charge the device, and also the aux port, which lets you use the device as a pair of wired headphones when out of charge. The build quality of the device is quite good, and the plastic that it is made of is quite sturdy. There are cushions present on the headband and they are quite plush. The earmuffs too are cushioned similarly, making it more comfortable for the wearer. The cups do seem a little too small to cover an average human ear and might just cause some irritation and pain when used for a long time, but we'll have to confirm this after trying it out. The length of the headband too is adjustable to suit the size of the wearer's head. One thing that can be noticed is that the glue holding the cushion at the headband had given way and it had practically separated from the headband. But that shouldn't affect the performance of the headphones, which we shall have a look at over the next few weeks and provide an update after 2 weeks of use. If you want YouTube to remind you when the video drops out, do subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Until next time, peace out.